Welcome back to another episode of Two Drunk Dads, the show before the show where we make the drinks that we drink on the show, where we drink the drinks while we're drinking stuff and talking about things.
Two Drunk Dads!
Today we're going to have a flying Hawaiian. To start that off, Jared, I need you to give me some pineapple juice. So you're going to need, if you're making for one person, 3 ounces of pineapple juice. For 2, it's 6. So we're going up.
Doubling up.
Psh. Splashing noise. Stop that. You're ruining everything. We'll mix this all in our shaker except for the Sprite part. Next we're gonna need some Bacardi White Rum. Gonna need about 1 ounce for one, or for us, we're gonna do 2 ounces as we make in 2. We're gonna pour it into the glass for me.
Oh, it's just heavy. It's brand new. Brand new?
And then I need Jared to give me some of the Midori Melon Liqueur, which is not what we have.
Midori.
We have this one, and I can't say the comfort. De Coupifer.
Watermelon.
You want Melon Liqueur. Melon Liqueur. And you need 1 ounce of this if you're making it for one person.
2 ounces
like us.
for 2.
And it's green. Green juice.
That's not very green.
It was green. That's green. This isn't green.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to shake this up in our shaker.
We'll see if it gets greener.
They used to have more ice.
I don't know what happened to it.
Jared takes too long setting up things. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Shake your booty. Shake your booty.
Now it's nice and cold.
I think it's supposed to be more
We're
blue.
gonna not make a mess. Well, you bought the thickest pineapple juice I've ever seen.
With 3 C's.
Here's the hard part. I have no idea how to do this.
That's even right.
I did a bad job. Don't be like me. I think we're gonna have to make another one. On account of we have huge glasses.
Now they're right next to each other. Yeah, let's make another one.
We're gonna triple this up.
We're professional drinkers, right?
Professional drinkers.
That's not just alcoholic, right?
No, I mean back when I was an alcoholic, I was probably a professional drinker. How many of these did I need?
6. So 3 2-ounce jiggers.
3, 2 times.
3
There it
2-ounce
is.
Jigamans.
I made the mess.
Oh, and there it is.
Boop, there's the dynamite. I'm sorry, people. Jared is so unprofessional. Now I need rum, Jared. Give me the rum, Jared.
Give me the rum. Give me the rum.
Again, this is 2 ounces of these. If you're watching and you're tuning in halfway through somehow, you gotta pour some on the floor for your homies.
Always pour some out for the homies.
Pour some for the homies. Then we need some melon liqueur.
Melon.
Again, some more melon liqueur.
Watermelon.
Again, it's gonna be 1 ounce, or
2 ounces for 2.
in our case, that wasn't enough. For
I
our
feel
glasses.
like we should put more in to make it greener.
We're gonna add Sprite though.
That's
Why does it need to be
clear.
green?
The one that I had before was green.
This is orange. Because you bought the thickest pineapple juice I've ever seen. Once again.
I got love for the thick with 2 C's.
You just gotta try to make sure you measure it evenly. This is not a pretty cocktail. I don't know why Jared picked this one.
Because when I got it at a bar, it was blue. Or green. It was green.
This is brownish orange.
It's yellowish yellow.
Brownish orange. And then you just go and top it off. Like 75 ounces of Sprite. Or 2 if you're making 1.
No, it's
We made 4.
2 ounces of soda for 1. So 4 ounces for 2. And then we each... It's a lot. Just fill it up.
We're just gonna...
We're gonna eyeball it. Just put a shot of vodka in. That It's from a like a meme thing, remember?
Oh,
That-
she just pours all the vodka.
It's just one shot of vodka. Glug 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 glug.
And we made a drink. It's
And
a
the
drink.
best.
We're not professional. I am not a professional bartender. I don't know why he thinks I am.
Because it's funnier that way.
So if you're not a professional bartender and you have lots of alcohol like we do, make things.
It might look like this. If you are a professional bartender, it might look different. We'll see
Professional bartenders, leave in the comments down below.
how professional you are.
Or how professional we are.
Better.
Now let's try this overly strong cocktail that we didn't need to make this way. Mango-y.
Yeah, it's tasty. Because it's pineapple mango juice.
'Cause we are bad at stuff.
Shopping is not our forte.
Have a good night, everybody.
See you on the show.